Hello friends, and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can pin certain posts in the Instagram app to your page. Friends, please don't forget to put your likes under this video and also write your comments and subscribe to our channel. So friends, let's get to our topic. And I'm going to show you how you can pin posts. In general, what pinned posts can look like. These are posts that are on the page, and they are marked with a pin like this. This means that the posts are pinned, and all new posts that you will post, they will go under these posts at the bottom. And these posts, they will always be pinned at the top, so that they can be seen at once. And it doesn't matter when you put up that post. For example, today, a week ago, or a year ago, you can pin absolutely any post. And now I'll show you how you can do it. So, friends, for this, you need to go to your page. Next, select the post that you would like to pin on your page. After that, you will need to click on the three dots at the top, above the post. And here you will see the option to pin to your profile. Click on it. Wait for a few seconds. And, as you can see, such a post immediately moves up, becomes the first, in the first line, and becomes pinned. Let me tell you right away that you can pin no more than 3 such posts. That is, only 3 posts. This is such a header of posts. And there you can choose the ones you like the most, or some memorable posts, so that they are always visible to you and your subscribers. That's the very simple way, friends, you can easily pin posts in the Instagram app. I really hope this video helped you and that it was useful to you. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to put your likes. See you soon.